Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to find the software information because we have to localize the build number. It will help us to activate the developer options. So all you have to do right here is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, then you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. So, and now let's go back, and here we have to enter the system. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got developer options. So let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the option to don't keep activities, we can simulate the color space, we can change the animator duration scale. Here in the input options we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and the networking, and so on and so on. So plenty of options, and if you'd like to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher at the top. And as you can see right now, those options are inactive, and after getting back and probably turning off the settings completely and getting back to the system settings, the developer options should disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.